lift your front end up. Even though if it's got traction, sometimes once that bark's gone,
it slides you just like that.
yeah, you're gonna hurt yourself. So look, you just slow down, just pop it up a little bit, and then have enough momentum where it just carries you over. Don't hit the gas when you hit it.
Okay.
With the back tire, because it's just gonna spin.
Like it did.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I'm just tired. I went backwards. Yeah, don't. Sometimes you put too much trust in your front tire, you know. Yeah, yeah. So,
every log, even if it's that small,
just pop it.
Just lean back a little bit. Just get